Assalamu alaikum. Class 4, take out your math books and your math notebooks. Open page 59, exercise on your own 4.5, question number 1. Find the common factors of the following. We have already done this type of exercise in our previous class. Now it's very easy to you to find the common factors of the following numbers. Open your notebooks, put the date, draw a margin and write the question. Find the common factors of the following and find out the factors of the numbers which are given. The first one number is 20. Find the factors of the number 20. How we will find the factors? We will find the factors by factorization method. And we will start from the number 2, which is the smallest prime number. 2 tens are 20. 2 fives are 10. Now the number 5 does not come in the table of 2, so we will divide it with the number 5 itself. 5 ones are 5. Factors of 20 are 2, 2 and 5. Now we will find out the factors of number 32. As 32 is an even number, we can divide it with the number 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 6 are 12. 2 8s are 16. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. So the factors of 32 are 1, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. 5 times 2. Now find out the numbers which are common in both. Which are the common numbers? 2 and 2. So the common factors of 20 and 32 are 2 and 2. Now do part B and C of this question by yourself. Let's move on to the question number 2. Find the HCF of the given numbers using prime factorization. Let's see what is HCF. HCF stands for highest common factor. The highest common factor of 2 or more numbers is the greatest number that divides both numbers without leaving any remainder. We find the HCF by using the common factors and prime factorization. Okay, class 4, now write the question number 2 on the next page. Find the HCF of the given numbers by using prime factorization. First we will find out the common factors and then we will see what is the highest common factor. First we will find out the factors of 16 by using prime factorization. 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. So the common factors the factors of 16 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 4 times 2. Now let's find out the factors of number 46. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. As 23 is a prime number, so it will be divided with the number itself. 23 ones are 23. So the factors of 46 are 2 into 3. When you multiply these numbers, you get the same number. Now see what is the common factor. 2. There is only one common factor, that is number 2. So the highest common factor is number 2. Have you all done? Good. Now do the remaining parts B and C by yourself. Note down the homework in your diaries as well. What is the homework? Do question 1 part B and C and question 2 part B and C, page 58 in your copies. Thank you.